fire element, which is mainly it's representing outside. There's a tongue. If the doctor will be going to use to see that it is now what they ask to show your tongue, right? What it means that it will be going to show the internal organs. It will be representing the disorders or the disease in the internal organs. If there is anything is a deviation, internal three parts is nothing but emotion, mind, and spiritual. These three parts, it will make our life. I told you that is in a combination between this and how it will be interrelated. Without this in a destination, you cannot be in a skill. Without a time bond, without a confidence, without obstruction, you will never be successful. The same way, if you more label.
I would just say Dr. Balasubramanian is a candidate of Government College of Physiotherapy, Chennai, and he has got around 19 plus years of experience. He's a senior physiotherapist, acupuncturist, and he's a founder of Prabhanjam Clinic in Chennai, and he's doing a great job. I've seen, with my experience where I have sent my couple of players to him for his acupuncture, because he's very knowledgeable on that, and he's been doing a very good job, and he has tried a lot. In recently also I've sent a player who had some issues and due to lockdown he's in Chennai, and he has come from Bangalore and he's staying there. He needs a treatment where I send him to Bala, and he has really done a tremendous job where he's back to sport now. And so this is what I saw with my experience with setting him a couple of patients. So today I think Balasubramanian will get into the topic and give you much more tips on how it is, especially on the topic how it influences the mind and achieves success. So Balasubramanian, before we get into, just tell a few words about yourself, and then how is your experience, and then you can get into the subject.
Yeah, good morning everybody, friends. And I am Balasubramanian. I am a senior physiotherapist from acupuncturist. I have 19 years of experience in acupuncture and physiotherapy. And basically I am a founder of Prabhanjam Clinic, and we have treated many patients related to ortho and neuro cases using of acupuncture and combination of therapy, physiotherapy and yoga and other things also. So we have seen as a lot of improvement, especially in acupuncture. We have seen as a lot of improvement for the conditions which we are related to the neuro conditions as well as ortho conditions. Apart from that, in acupuncture we can show the improvements in very instantly. That is what the experience which I felt throughout the career of my acupuncture experience. So what will happen when we say that it is an acupuncture? It has as three major principles are there in acupuncture. One is we call it as in Panchabhuta Tattvangal. In Tamil, we call it as a Panchabhuta Tattvangal. That's nothing but it's cosmic principles, nothing but as a 5-element principles. And also so many other principles are there in the acupuncture. And also we have different techniques. For example, Chinese traditional Chinese medicine, and the YNSA method, and Yin Yang method, and single needle classical acupuncture. So many things are there in the acupuncture, but I am mainly using the Yin Yang and YNSA and classical acupuncture. These are the main things which I am using in correlated with the acupuncture part. And for that, we have seen in the 5-element principle, there is a 5 elements in nature. Nothing but it is a fire, earth, air, water, and wood. Each element it contains representing the internal organs. For example, there is a fire element. It contains 4 parts in our body. It's mainly heart, small intestine, and pericardium, and triple warmer. The triple warmer, which we have not yet in our career, because we used to say that it is everything which is related to the organ only. In acupuncture only, they have they have feeling the body by the ancient people. The acupuncture is more than 8,000 years old. So that time the people itself they found that the heart is related to the fire element, and the pericardium is related to the fire element, and small intestine as well as a triple warmer. Triple warmer is nothing but the 3 part in our cavity: upper chest cavity, and abdominal cavity, and lower pelvic cavity. This cavity it's required minimum hot. That means heat should be needed for functioning the organ. So because if you want to drive a car, fuel is important. The same way there is if you want the organ as to function properly, there is some requirement of the heat is needed. So in that way, so what will happen, that other parts of the other elements, for example, earth element, it's related to the two elements. One is in a spleen, another one is in stomach, and air element is nothing but representing the lung and large intestine. The water element representing the kidney and the urinary bladder. The wood element nothing but is representing the liver and the gallbladder. So each element has contains two organs only, but except that the fire element. The fire elements only, specifically there is a four elements in our body. In also that's an acupuncture, it contains the two basic principles. I told you already, the five element principle, as well as in the yin yang method. It's yin yang method is nothing but in our life everything is two things, right? One is actually if you're born, it will be die. If your sunlight is there, there is darkness also there. If there is anything which is happening in depression, there is happiness. If there is something is like if you fall, you come up actually. So everything is a two-way aspect, no? That the same way in acupuncture also, yin and yang. Yin is nothing but the hard element, hard part of the body. The yang is nothing but the soft part of the body. So which is more important, which is both are interrelated. There is no, we cannot spread it as separately. It will be interrelated. Each and everything, for example, if the yin part is affected, that yang part is being supported. That yang part is affected, the yin part is to be supported. The same way, if in your natural life, if there is no sun, then it will be darkness only. If there is no darkness, there is no value of the sun. The same way, if your darkness are there, the sun has been come, the darkness will be moved out, and then you will be getting the sunlight. So the same way, if there is any problem with the yin, the yang will be supported, and the yin will be getting upward, upward on that functioning. So in other words, I told you that subject today is nothing but how the acupuncture influences mind and makes success. That is what we are going to discuss today, right? So I already told that is in a fire element, it contains the four elements of the four part of the body: heart, pericardium, small intestine, and triple wormer. The pericardium and the heart is mainly from controlling the mind of our body, brother. So what will happen? So the mind will be very important for all the achievements, right? So the happiness also one of the main things which is representing by the fire element. If the disturbed by the fire element, then it will be showing the happiness in our outer face. Happiness also, it will be most likely it will be going to disturb your life. Why I am telling you this one is, friends, for example, if you are more happy, you cannot be do anything, right? If you are exaggerated your happiness, you cannot be concentrated on anything. So anything, in Tamil we can say that it is alavukku meerina amurdamum nanji. So what will mean it is, if you are eating something which you like mostly, for example, you are eating the gulab jamun, it will be very helpful for you to test it. But even though if you are taking so much more, it will be going to be poison. The same way, whatever we are having in our body also, the happiness, one of the expression of the thoughts, right? Expression of the feelings, right? So the same way, we have to be control everything and balance. If we are balancing both mind and the happiness, it will be make you a successful life, brother. So what will happen? The main characteristic of the fire elements, if you want to know, then only will become to know that it is how will be impacting your mind and successful for this mind and the happiness, how the impacting on success. For example, in this characteristic of the fire element, which is mainly it's representing outside, there's a tongue. If the doctor will be going to use to see that it is now what they ask to show your tongue, right? What it means that it will be going to show the internal organs. It will be representing the disorders or the disease in the internal organs. If there is anything is a deviation in the normal way, they found that there is some problem internally which is related to the heart or the pericardium or the small intestine or the triple wormer. Okay. In the second one is another way. If the body is very important for the heat, I told you, it will be the heart will be pumping the action, make the circulation entire body. It make the maintenance of the heat of the entire body. Another one is excreting this waste through the sweating. Excreting the waste is very important. in our life. If you are not excreting anything, for example, you are not excreting your stools, if you are not excreting your urinary, if you are not excreting your sweating, what will happen? Whatever it is in our body is a disease due to the excretion. It will be instant with our body only, friends. So if you are excreting everything in properly, if you are getting in a good sleep in your life, if you are getting in a good intake in your food, so it will be balancing in your all activities of your life and make you successful, friend. The thing is, if you are the third character of the fire element, it is a bitter taste. What will happen when the people used to say that when if you are in fever, what will happen? You are not able to take any food. Your taste buds will become bitter. It will be said that nothing but your heat is internally exaggerated. You cannot have any food intake. In this case, what will happen? You show the taste bud, it will be showing the bitter taste. So it will not allow to take any food. It maintaining your body to be normalized for become you are not taking any food. In the fourth way, it will be most important. The thing is, the four elements I told you, right? The four parts of the body. It has to be balancing and controlling the mind also. The mind will be controlled by the heart element only. That heart element is very important for controlling the mind. And two things are there in the mind, friends. What happened? One is an external factors, another one is an internal factor. Okay. What will happen when there is an external factors? We see that it is the people think that it is an external factors only determine our life, but the internal factors is more important rather than this external factors. If you are externally showing that you are very happy, but your internally is not strong, then it will no worth, right? It will be moving at any cost, at any time. It will be going to affect your external factors, external body also. I will be segregated in 3 or 4 parts in our brain. It's the external part, we can say that it is in a physical body. Another internal 3 parts is nothing but emotion, mind, and spiritual. These 3 parts, it will make our life more reliable, friends. How will it be reliable? I can say there is one example which is make you very understanding about the concept. Okay, for example, one person is going to be attend the interview for the auditor. Okay, the person is entered to the interview room and given the resume. The interviewer immediately returned back to the resume and he has asked him to sit down. What the reason it may be? Everybody thinks that he is not capable. If the way his presence is not good, the presence of mind is not there, or maybe the person is not be qualified for this particular thing. The third thing is correct. What you said is the person is not qualified for the particular thing. How it will be? He is in a CA. He is a CA candidate only. He is entered to this interview also as an auditor only. But why is rejected? Yes, friends. There is one small mistake which make their life more that is ridiculous. No. If he asked what he did is actually instead of C, he put us in a B in the resume. Instead of putting a CA, he put us in a BA. The qualification itself differs. What the value for the resume? There is no value, right? The same way, friends. If you are taking everything internally, you are making everything changes in your body, and then externally everything will be come out in properly. That's what I felt, and I will be showing so many examples for this one. And for this one, I can say that it is for how will be determined that it is we can correlate with our mind, emotion, as well as the spiritual. In computer, what will happen? He has taken a printout. That printout is nothing but the physical, and the emotion is nothing but what you want the content has to be typed, and mind is nothing but the memories which he has stored, and spiritual is nothing but it's not part of the content, that is the resume. That resume has to be in a content, right? Everything is in a content. If they want it in a content to be proper, then it will be resume will be proper in the type, and it will be presented in the way it has to be. Correct? So what will happen? He has typed he has make a content and he has typed everything. In the typing error, what happened is a small mistake is done. Instead of putting a C, he has put in a B. That thing that internally he has did as a small mistake, it's saved in the mind, is nothing but the memory. It has been taken as a printout. It's the external factors. That is an external body. Correct. It will be presented in for the interview. Interview is not accepted because you are not qualified for this interview, right? So that the same way, friends, If you are internally making changes in your body, it will be externally, it will show your results. So the success is how the mind will be affected. You come to know that. And next one is, I told you already there is a 5 elements in our cosmic, right? There's a fire, air, water, and wood. The same way, if you want to stay the success, you need the 5 elements. What the 5 elements, friends? That is a destination. Another one is a goal. Another one is a time, and abstraction and confidence. These 5 elements, which is more interrelated, friends. How will it be interrelated? The same way the cosmic energy also is interrelated. If it is nothing is to stay against the other part of the body, it will never going to give a good results of our entire function of the body itself. The same way, if there is no correlation between the destination, time, goals, obstruction, and the confidence, if it is staying away, there is no result. If it is interrelated, it gives us wonderful results in your life. How it will be? I will be explaining in a small example. If a person want to travel to this destination, for example, I want to travel to this from Chennai to Bangalore. It's only I decided. So my destination has been fixed. Now I enter the bus terminus. I'm going to the bus terminus. I'm searching the bus where the bus is going to be Bangalore. So I find the bus. Okay, I found the bus and going to enter to the bus. Next enter to the bus. What will ask by the person? Immediately you will ask how long it will take time to reach the bus destination. The same way, friends. If you have the goals of the destination has been fixed, the next one is a time, duration. Duration is very, very important. You are fixed a destination, you will be fixing the time also. There is no time bond. If you are living as in 60 years for the entire life, you are spending the time for the entire life, you are not fixing any destination with a time bond. It's no value. So what we'll do, you will be making a time bond. So if I want to fix a time bond within 1 year or within a 2 year or within a 4 year, I want to achieve the goal. What the goal? The goal is nothing but the skills, friends. How the skills? The skills, you are already fixed the destination. For example, if the person is becoming a soccer, if a person is want to be a cricketer, if the person is want to be an athlete, what the way they want to become? They fix the destination, they be improving the skills towards the destination. If they want a cricketer, if they want to be a cricketer, either it may be the batsman, or maybe the bowler, or maybe the all-rounder, or maybe the fielder. The way which has fixed, for example, is the batsman, you want to become batsman, he has to improvise the skills about the batting skills, how to handle, how to express our things, how situation has been changed, how we'll be handling the situation. Those things is very important. These are the experts are in the world and they will be learning from that one. It is a financially, we have to be sufficient to improve our skills, to enhance our skills. That's the way the skills also important for our life. The 3 part is completed. That 4th one is nothing but an obstruction. Everyone is facing the obstruction, friends. In the friend, what I told you, that's right. The bus driver has started driving the vehicle. They are seeing the obstruction in the way they are driving it. They see there's a lot of traffic. They may be in a toll gate as a full rush. There may be got an accident in between, or there may be a breakdown in the vehicle, or maybe there is a diversion, or there may be some agitation in between the traveling hours, or maybe there is some fuel drop out, or maybe there is a destination as they have a breakdown, they have a tea break, dinner break, or so many things are. Sorry for the inconvenience. Yes, sir. Because I'm using the mobile only, I'm not using any internet connection separately. Okay. In between, there is some calls that came, so that's what the reason it will be disturbed. So
you can go ahead, Bala.
Yeah. So finally, yes. And what I told you that he has to be traveled, right? He has to be destination has been fixed and time bound has been fixed, as well as he has been getting goals has been nothing but the skills has been fixed, and he has been traveling on that way. There is so many obstacles also there. The obstructions will be come over and it will be passing away the way the let out of the obstructions, everything, and they have need a confidence, right? If there is no confidence in the obstruction, so the obstruction will be suppress the person. It will not make the life more reliable, and they are not come up for their life, right? So the same way, The confidence is nothing but I can see there is two things which is important for the confidence. One is in a failure, another one is in a discouragement or the insult, whatever it is. For example, I can say if I ask you everybody, what is important for the fasting your vehicle? Immediately everybody says the accelerator is important. I say that it's nothing but an accelerator is not important, friend. The main thing is the brake is important. If you have a very good brake in your vehicle, then you can drive the fast how much you want. Because based on the vehicle brake system only, you are driving the fast vehicle. Otherwise, there is no brake at all. If you think about it, it will be it is not be workable, right? You cannot be travel with whatever the fast you ride reliable. It's not reliable. So the same way, friends, the failures make you more confident, make you more efficient, make your skills in business more efficient. You make your life in business very strong in the way you are targeting. So this is the way it will be required, friends. Another one is I said this in a discouragement or insult. These are the things. These are the accelerator. When you face a discouragement, somebody come and tell you that you are not capable for doing this thing. You are not capable for doing that thing. Don't worry about, friends. You do whatever you like. You passionate about it. You will be doing it with whatever you want. You fix the destination. You fix the goal. You fix a time bond. You fix a confidence. Then no obstruction will stop you. You will reach the destination without any fear. That is what I felt, friends. Don't feel about anybody, what the insult, what the discouragement, whatever it is giving, it will be boost you. It make you accelerate your speed and make your life more fast. Okay, friends? So I told you these 5 things. I told you that is in a combination between this and how it will be interrelated. Without this in a destination, you cannot be in a skill. Without the time bond, without a confidence, without obstruction, you will never be successful. The same way, if you are the 5 elements in our body, it's our 5 elements in our the cosmic. For example, fire, earth, air, water, and wood. These are all the interrelated. Without interconnected, we cannot get everything has been functioned properly. So finally, I come to the conclusion how the successful person has getting through the acupuncture. No, you say that it is in a mind and the happiness that will make you success, and how I can handle these things, sir. This is the final question you will be asking me, right? So that's it. Finally, I come to the conclusion now. So when you enter into the ground, what will happen? The pressure will be increased because the opponent, you are seeing this an opponent, how they strong, how they get efficient in the game. Those things will be coming to your brain. So you'll be getting depressed, or maybe there's a distractor from your goal. So what will do? It will make you calm. That's the 3 things. Internal part. I told you, right? That's the emotional, mental, and the spiritual. These things which will make you, it's bringing up to the normalized. You will not be fear about the opponent. You will not fear about how they are efficient. You will be to show your skills with full confidence. That will be work out in the internal part. That is what I first told you, that internally, if you are making everything peaceful, then externally also you'll be showing one day you'll be very successful. So what we'll do, I told you that it's mental and physical and mental and spiritual and emotional. How will you be doing that one? You don't know, right? How will you do that one? So mentally, I want to be strong. What will you do? That you will be asking the questions, right? Then you come to know this now. So mentally, if you want to strong, you will do that. We have 2 brain in our body, our friends. There is a right brain and the left brain. We mostly the right hand dominant will be using the most left side of the brain. The left brain dominant. There is the most using the left side of the hand. They will be using it. The right side of the brain will be some more usage. So the 2 parts is cross the way, and it will be reaching an opposite side of the brain. So when you using this on the right side, you try to use it the left side also. You will get in the more usage of the brain, the first one, the memory, right? And next one, I can show you one example. You can try also now. I am doing it as now. For example, I am doing this. Can you try it? I am touching on the opposite side of the finger.
Okay.
This is only easy simple. A sample of the example. Okay, I am using the both brains. Just trying to switch on the left and the right. Okay, if you are trying it the first time, you will not reach it out. If you're practicing it, it will make it perfect. So if you are practicing something, it will be coming to true, friends. So in the same way, I'm using the right hand with the left rotation. Okay, sorry, left hand with right rotation and right hand with left rotation. For example, you can see that if you are trying to do this one, it will not be easy. When you are trying to do that in exercise, in practice, you will come to know that how it will be so both brains are be functioning in your body. We have everything, friends, but we are not utilizing it. If you are utilizing it, you will definitely get the goal achieved. So next one is the emotion. Emotion part is nothing but, I told you, that is not. It is more emotion. It will be related to the liver function. So what will do that emotion? Whenever that emotion comes in your brain or in your body, what will do? Make you calm. Nothing but you'll go and sit as a meditation and do the meditation for a while. Count for the 10, from the 1 to 10 and 10 to 1. It will be calm down yourself, make you at peace, and then it will be getting your emotion also will be come down. Okay, even that I told you, happiness also the one type of emotion. If you are more happy, you cannot be concentrated. You will be in a very less happy. You will be depressed. That is also the worst. You have to be balanced all the things within your life. So when you are making your life is balanced, then you will be achieving everything. So finally, I give you one point. When you enter to the ground, you are more pressurized. I will be in a suppress. You will be depressed, everything. I cannot able to play further. What will do? Immediately, I will tell you LI4, which is a point which can use it in the ground itself. You make your suppress. You make your level will be high and make you suppress your depression.
What was that?
How will you do it? So LI4, sir. That is nothing but. This is an LI point. It will be traveling towards this is a meridian point. It will be passing through this, and it will be connecting to the brain, connecting to the face also.
Okay.
Face also. Okay, it will be connecting. Okay, and what will do that? I giving you one point which help you to come out of the depression. That is LI4. That is nothing but it is seeing these friends from here. There is a tip, right?
Yeah.
The tip in between the wrist bone. There is a 2 point is there. That is a fourth metacarpal bone. That metacarpal bone, in between the fourth metacarpal bone, there's a point you can fix it, and in between the middle, you find that the way you find it will be from the bone, from the metacarpal bone, it come down, you just touch the skin over that area. The same way you can touch it here also. So just you can hold like this.
Okay.
Just pressurize for next 3 minutes.
Okay.
And if you have whatever the time you have in the ground, the pressure, you will be applying over that area. You will get out of the depression and you will be playing very nicely. So I told you everything. How the mind will be impacting, how the 5 elements in your body are impacting. And finally I give you the tips for how to use the LI4 point when you in depression or when you in more stress. So this will help you come out of the stress, friends. So this is what. So acupuncture is the only thing which is more important in our body. In very instantly, you can give the pressure point and come out of the disease. Even the single touch itself, it will be coming out of the disease. That's what the acupuncturist, the famous acupuncturist, says that it's a one point it clear thousands of diseases. If you are finding this particular point which is more reliable point or more reliable to the root cause of the disease, then you will be clear the diseases within the single touch. That is what I felt. If you are finding difficulties to find the root cause only, if you find the root cause very precisely, then even the single touch will clear all the diseases. So thank you so much for giving an opportunity. I thank all my divine gurus and all my parents, both my mother and father and all my gurus, everybody thank to this situation and giving us an opportunity to express my thoughts to the entire community of Fort Physio, and thankful to Fort Physio founder Gopakumar sir. Thank you so much.
Okay, Bala, so very well versed. You have just, even you made it so precise. You gave us that kind of, kind of positive energy itself, saying that how it really works. Because first of all, I think acupuncture also works on that kind of positive energy, right? The response that has to be new.
Yes, sir.
If you're having that negative response and negative inside you, that doesn't work on it, either on your way or where you're going to deliver it also, right? So on both the sides.
I can say it's not perfectly, sir, because there are some people, even in my clinic, some people they say this, what you are doing
No,
is giving a needle, it will be
yeah,
getting cure of the disease.
yeah,
I said this, don't worry about, sir. Just give me whatever whatever the problems you have,
yes,
whatever the symptoms you have. Just you can express me. I will find out what the root cause. I'll treat you. Then you'll tell me what the symptoms, how it is, how the symptoms will be appear on the next day. That is what I feel. So even though there is a negativity, there is no problem at all. But in the way they are positive, the active energy is
yes,
spreading like it.
yes. So it was a great session. It was very nice, and I think viewers also please put your feedbacks how it is. So I would like the viewers to ask some few questions if you have anything. Before that, I would like to ask one question. Just in and not related to basically what you have discussed now, but it's out of the box. Balas, how do you relate dry needling with acupuncture?
So dry needling is entirely it's a different thing. It's actually I will explain you that now what is acupuncture first. No, acupuncture is nothing but it's a meridian point.
Why I ask this?
It is dry needling.
Because we may have people who know what is an acupuncture. We may have people in this viewers also who are just getting used to that. Maybe they will get confused with the dry needling and acupuncture. So if you could give that as a part of your experience, it would be very good.
Yes, sir. So what will happen? It's actually the people are mostly think that it is an acupuncture. They are not differentiate between the acupuncture and the dry needling. Dry needling is nothing but the local point. That is nothing but the trigger point. If there isn't a trigger point, there is some symptoms which is showing that there is a pain over the ear, so they will put a needle at there. And if there is a pain at here, they will put a needle at there. If there is a pain at here, they will put a needle at here.
Okay.
But this is not an acupuncture. The acupuncture is entirely pure science. It will be related to the most related to the it is in a cosmic energy, I can say.
Okay. A traditional.
Which will be contained the transmitters. That means nothing but that is we call it as an main 5 elements in the body. The 5 elements, as I told you, the 5 elements represent each and every meridian.
Okay.
For example, lung is in one meridian. Lung is in one part of the organ. That one part of the organ, it contains one meridian. That each meridian in our body totally is 12 meridian points. 12 meridian waves are there. The 12 meridian waves, it contains each meridian lines, it will be contain 5 major elements. In that same way, fire, earth, air, water, and wood. Each and every point, it will be stimulated. It is a correct point with a diagnosis of the root cause, and then it will be immediately show the result. I see so many patients in my you can see in my YouTube, Instagram, or Facebook. So many patients, they have shown improvement within one sitting or 2 sittings, 3 sittings maximum. They have shown us a very good improvement. Even we have seen us a lot finally, and last 3 months or 4 months back, one patient came for the nerve weakness. He is searching all the doctors in the neurologist. Yes, no one is not a solution. No, he is not getting the proper solution from that one. So he came last finally to me, and I find out that the root cause and treated him for the 5 sittings. Within the 5 sittings, now the neurological symptoms will be gone out. Even I am surprised how surplusly it will be working in the energy process. So there is no limit to find the disease or find the root cause to treat all the conditions.
I think
I have treated almost all the patients in my life, and I have seen this wonderful
I think experience
case studies also.
Yeah, experience matters, because when you keep doing
yes, sir. Each and every day
on it, right? So it's not like you just use it in between as one of the methods, but if you are really experienced on that matters that you are doing a study and you get that results. Yes. So
still I am a learner. I never said that I am expert, because each and every day we have learned so many new things in our life.
Exactly.
And we have to be ready to open, and we have to be receiving that all the good things from our all over the world. The English all are expressing something new, then we'll be receiving it. Because before we are receiving it, we have to empty ourselves. We should not be restricted to whatever they given to us.
So this is what for everyone.
So that is the way.
Yeah, this is for everyone who specializes in certain things. So it's not an end for you. It keeps going. it keeps going. So the more you do, the more you get more of studies you do, the more of materials you get to learn on it. So that's one thing. How do you feel? How do you feel, or as per your experience, the acupuncture towards depression?
Yes, sir. Depression
I
is
heard it
nothing
is
but
giving a good effect.
related. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Of course. No, the depression, when the person is becoming a depression, that will be related to the sleep disorders also. Because of the depression, it will be affecting the sleep. If the sleep is affected, it will be affecting the motion. That means nothing but excretion of the waste. If the excretion of the waste is affected, then the internal takes also affected. It cannot be take intake. So the one thing is, you think that it is, if you are clearing that is a depression, that will be, everything will be fine. Not like that. Not like that. It will be intercorrelated. So we have to find the root cause at the end, and we have to clear it out, and be getting out of the diseases. And whatever the disease is, maybe depression, or maybe addiction to any drug addicts or the smoke addicts or whatever it is, these things will be also come out when you root causes will be find out and they treat it properly.
Perfect. Very nice. Viewers, I think if you have any queries, please put on so that Dr. Balasubramanian would be able to answer it. Please, viewers, if you have any doubts on today's session, whatever Dr. Balasubramanian has given it, I think he has given a lot of, I think there's no much of questions, but because you have already covered a lot of things which brings us at least, but to try it out, and learn the whole concept. It's good. Viewers, if you have any questions, queries, please. And one more thing, Dr. Balasubramanian. So I think I can just find that's a final question of mine. I think recently you saw a news saying that acupuncture works on COVID-19. Is it
Yes,
according to your opinion? Is it because as of now even vaccinations these things have not come? But then what I felt is it is not basically COVID. I think it is because of symptoms. I think it is trying to cure the symptom, one of the symptoms.
Yes, properly. Yes.
So
it's what happened. I will come to the conclusion. What you said is correct, sir. The COVID is one of the symptoms which we have already. So people are not having any symptoms at all.
Yeah.
And another type is they have some symptoms. For example, there is a cough. There may be a dryness in the throat, or maybe the compression over the chest.
Yeah.
These are the symptoms which we have. So what will happen? It will be more related to we can say that my body is maybe that either way. Either it may be cold, maybe hot. The two ways only in the body.
Yes.
If it is in a more cold, we have to make it in a hot of the body. If it is more hot, we have to make it the balance of the cold. Or I cannot say that it make it cold. It can be neutralized. Between the it will be warm to make the body will be warm. For example, if a person is having a more dryness over here, what we'll do? We have to make it as clear the dryness and make it as a smooth wave over the throat.
Okay.
So what will happen? That is related to the lung area. Maybe the respiration is affected. The respiration meridian will be find out, and we will be giving in a particular point. It will be getting out of the problems at all from the problems. And other thing is, if the person is having something which is related to the cold, then we'll be giving a point related to the cold, then they will be coming out of this cold problem. If the person is having a more congestion over the chest, then they will give us a congestion. If leaving out of the congestion, then they will be coming out of the congestion point. So we have to find out the root cause and treat the root cause, then it will be coming out of the disease. So that's it. That's it, sir.
Perfect. So I think we don't have much of doubts here. I think we have discussed much. So I think viewers, if you want to get in touch with Dr. Balasubramanian, you can follow his Instagram. That is Medicineless Treatment. Yeah, that is the Insta ID, right, Dr. Bala?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. My ID is Medicineless _treatment.
You can,
either Instagram. Yeah, in YouTube you can search it as Balasubramani, BALASUBRAMMANI, Balasubramani. You can find out the YouTube channels, or you put my phone number itself. It will come a lot of videos and Instagram or whatever it is. No, it will be coming out of.
So that's a great thing, because the way you keep posting some videos on certain things. So that gives a really people to learn on it also, what exactly it is, how you're doing it. So any one of your queries can be put on to Dr. Balasubramanian through mail, through his phone number, which is there, which is mentioned, and also you can follow his Insta and YouTube, as he said. That's it for today, Dr. Balasun. So it is really nice and for your taking some time in between your work and giving the whole explanation of how acupuncture works. And thanks to viewers, participants for joining in. So we are logging off for today, right? See you soon with the next sessions by Dr. Balasubramanian also, right? Thank you, Dr. Bala.